Hi everyone, it's Bitesize CG, learn 3D by taking small bites. In the last tutorial we tried to learn how we can add a background image to a plane, but this time we're going to create our own background that's looking like the space. So for now we're going to take this plane and either delete it or we can move it to another layer. In Blender we have a few layers. You can see them right here in the down part, and you can move an object to a different layer by selecting that object and pressing M and selecting on which layer you want to move it. So we're gonna move it here. Now you see the orange circle indicates that there is an object there we just moved. So for now we're gonna add a new plane, mesh, add a plane, and we're gonna go to front side view and we're gonna scale it real big. We're gonna make it really big. We're gonna go to edit mode. We're gonna take this edge and we're going to extrude it on the Z axis, and we're gonna select the same edge again, and we're going to add a bevel to it, Control B, and we're gonna add more levels to it and make it so it looks quite decent, or how you would like it. And we're gonna scale it on the Y. Okay, select everything and scale it on the Y axis. Let's check. If we press Y, you see we don't have any gaps. So we're gonna move it just a bit down. Let's check one more time. We can scale it on the Y a bit more. And we're gonna go to object mode. We're gonna press T, and we don't really want to see all the lines here. So we're gonna go here to tools, transform tools, and we're gonna press smooth. And now it smooths out that surface. So we're gonna play around, we're gonna change it and it looks a bit better. So we're gonna open a new window, not this way. We're gonna drag it to the left, and we're gonna go to node editor, and we're gonna press material here down. We're gonna press N and close that window, and we're gonna select here material, and we're gonna add a new one. I'm gonna call it background. And here, what we're gonna do, we're gonna keep these two nodes, and we're gonna add two more. So first, Shift A and search color ramp. We're gonna select that one, and we're gonna connect the yellow dots, and we're gonna add one more. Search and search for noise texture. And in this case, we're gonna join fac with facultative. So we're gonna scale it up to somewhere around 800. And here we're gonna change the black color to something that looks like a space, like a deep blue. It all depends on what kind of blue you would think would suit better as the space. So we can make it lighter or darker. Here we're gonna go and check how it looks now. We don't have anything yet because we have to change a bit here. The good part about this is that we can still keep the HDRI and we have good lighting on our model, but we can also add a nice background on our own. So to make it look a bit more like the space, we're gonna move this dark part. We're gonna take it. Let's say, okay, take it and move it somewhere around there. We're gonna check it now, and it looks quite okay. And if you want to make the little stars look a bit brighter or more contrasting, you just move it a bit closer to the blue part. Or you can play around and make it as you would like it. So that's pretty much it. We can do a test render. We can close this window, and we're gonna go here to this camera and we're gonna press render, and we will render out our image. And now it looks quite decent, but you can still play around and make that this white dots look like stars or galaxies or whatever you would like. You can play around as long as you would want. So that's pretty much it for today. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give a like. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. And see you guys in the next one. Bye. So this is the final result.